Welcome into StoveTop-Garage. Today we're going to be making some strawberry banana waffles. And our list of ingredients are coming up with a half a cup of melted butter, 2.5 cups of flour, today we're using hot dog buns, 3/4 tablespoon of salt, today we're using the kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 cup of milk, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And since we don't have the overripe bananas, we're going to take these bananas and we're going to put them in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. And we're going to brown them up so they'll emulsify into our recipe quicker. And with the hot dog buns, there was an idea that was shown to me that you use up your leftovers, and these were left over from a barbecue that we had a weekend ago, and since we didn't want them to go to a waste, we thought we'd cut them up and throw them into a recipe and repurpose them into waffles. Be right back. After 15 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees, you now have bananas that are ready for banana bread, or in this case, banana strawberry waffles. Here are our baked strawberries and our baked bananas. Getting ready to blend them up to put them into our batter. They're going to be our wet ingredients for this recipe. Now we have all of our ingredients ready. We're going to start mixing these up. So at this point, we've mixed it all up. We've got our hot dog buns, our half cup of melted butter, our 3 eggs, our vanilla, 2 teaspoons, and all of our wet ingredients combined together. And we're getting ready to add the cinnamon, salt, baking soda, and the sugar into it. And we excluded the milk because we have a good consistency here with all the wet ingredients already. So I'm sorry, as far as the wet ingredients, we also have the bananas and the strawberries. So all that's combined together here, and we're getting ready to start making waffles. For those of us that aren't fancy enough to have a waffle iron with a timer or a temperature setting, the steam is your key to knowing when your waffles are done. As soon as the steam diminishes or comes to almost a complete stop, you know your waffle is ready. Now that our steam has passed by, we're going to go ahead and give her a check to see how she's doing. Here we are. Not your normal waffle. That is a strawberry banana waffle. Look at that ooey gooey yumminess. Lovely. As if strawberry banana waffles weren't enough strawberry and banana to go around, we had to top it with some whipped cream and strawberries. Delicious, right? Thanks for watching. This is StoveTop-Garage with strawberry banana waffles. Update to our recipe here. We want to go ahead and advise, for those that aren't particularly fond of salt, my wife being one of them, that you would want to omit the salt from this recipe. There is really no need for it, such as the fact that the hot dog buns already have sodium in them, and if you add salt to the recipe for the bread purposes, it's just overwhelming as far as, it takes away from the would-be sweetness from the banana and the strawberry. So do yourself a favor and omit the salt.